This simple guide will show you how to cancel a line on T-Mobile. If you're thinking about streamlining your T-Mobile account by canceling a line, you might wonder how to go about it. Unlike some other actions you can take with your account, canceling a line requires direct contact with T-Mobile customer care. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to reach out to T-Mobile customer care directly. Unfortunately, this isn't something you can handle entirely online, but their team is there to assist you. You can do this by calling their customer service number or using their online chat if that's more convenient for you. Once you're connected with a representative, be ready to verify your account information. This will typically involve confirming details like your name, account number, or security PIN to ensure that everything is secure and authorized. Now, let the representative know which specific line you wish to cancel. It's helpful to have the phone number or associated device details on hand to make the process quicker. Once you've communicated your request, the representative might ask a few questions to understand your needs better and ensure there are no misunderstandings. Before you finalize the cancellation, it's crucial to review any remaining obligations on your account. This might include outstanding device payments, ongoing promotions, or contract obligations. If there are any remaining device payments, you might need to pay them off before the line can be cancelled. Promotions or discounts tied to multiple lines could also be affected, so it's wise to double-check how the cancellation might impact your overall plan and billing. Once everything is clear and you've addressed any outstanding issues, the representative will process your cancellation request. They'll confirm when the cancellation will take effect, so you know exactly when the line will be removed from your account. Keep an eye out for any follow-up emails or messages from T-Mobile confirming the change. And there you have it. That's how you cancel a line on T-Mobile. By reaching out to their customer care team and ensuring you understand any obligations, you'll find that this process, while not entirely online, is quite manageable. If you have any further questions during the process, don't hesitate to ask the T-Mobile representative for clarification. They're there to help. Good luck, and I hope this guide has made the process a little easier for you.